Hello everyone. For this video, I've chosen children's clothing. It's a tank top and shorts. I got this pattern from Etsy shop. I have put a link in the description because I can see that you are very interested in where I get my patterns. So from now on, I will share them on description. This is first time when I'm making such a sleeveless jersey top, and I want to show you how I made it. The most description is also in the pattern description, but here I made little change by adding this zigzag stitch on the bottom. The pattern comes with different sizes, but I'm using the one for 3 to 4 year olds. To be honest, I've always avoided to sew anything from a jersey. I never felt confident enough to sew anything from any stretchy fabric. And this project was actually very nice, easy to follow, and really tested my abilities to sew because I've always been a bit scared to sew from jersey. And this was a small project, and I could just test out how it will go. And I was at the end that I was really happy about the outcome. It came out very nice. So let's sew together. First I sew armhole and neck pieces. These are those small little details. Then I continue with shoulder seams and side seams. For me, sewing with the jersey, first thing is to sew with serger. That kind of keeps the seams in place. And here I will go and sew the regular straight stitch. Here I'm folding in half the back piece neckline, front and back neckline. This is how I will find the actual middle place to place in the neck piece, the small neck piece. At first I pin only the middle parts, And then by stretching the neck piece, I can pin to the front and back. I never do any stitching before actual sewing. It feels like it's wasting my time with such things, so I kind of just leave with the pins in. But if you feel like you can't really manage the fabric, you can always do your hand stitch first to see if some places need more stretching or less. You can do that. As this was my first time sewing from jersey, it took some time for me to pin these. And again, it's 3 layers, so it might take some time. Here I have finished also armholes. Everything came out nice, even, and I didn't have to do any extra work. Here, right now, I'm not doing any ironing. Here I will do some top stitch to fix the seam allowance in place. It's in all 3 places, armholes and neckline. For the zigzag length, I'm using 3 and the zigzag stitch, the regular zigzag stitch. This I'm gonna sew on the bottom of the tank top. First, I'm cutting all excess fabric so that it's easy to sew, nice and straight line. Always cut off this little corner, otherwise it's gonna mess and be too much big in the seam place. And I have maybe 2 centimeters for this seam allowance. Actually, I was watching Hercule Poirot. That's why I had to take off the sound from the sewing machine. But maybe the same as for you, I always find it nice to hear actual tools working in the background or whatever I'm watching video. But unfortunately, here for this end of the video, I've taken the sound off. Actually, let me know in comments if you like to hear these tools working, or do you prefer music or any other sound rather than actual sound of the tool. Now I've done the zigzag stitch for the bottom. I find it very nice, stretchy, does its job, and actually looks very nice. And as a reminder, this is first of two-part video. The next video it will be about these shorts. And again, it's for 3 to 4 year olds, but you can choose whatever size you want. Both of these patterns, the tank top and shorts, come in the same pattern file. I really hope you enjoyed the video and happy sewing. Till the next time.